Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to avoid congestion charge zones on the Eurowag Navi application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and here click to the settings button. You can find the first option, the route and navigation, and go to the second section, the route options, and you can find the third option, the avoid congestion charge zones. And if you want to enable this function, just click to the next gray circle, and if it will be turned blue, this function will be enabled. And that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.